welcome back to my channel. I can't help but feel like I look like Elsa or something right now, wearing this top and my hair like this. But anyway, feeling like a little bit of a princess. But today I'm showing you guys a very exciting video, and it is a clothing haul, as you can probably tell from the title. As you guys may have seen from a video like last week, I filmed another clothing haul because honestly I've been doing way too much online shopping in isolation, and this is no different. So I'm actually collaborating with Princess Polly today, which I'm so excited for. I go on their website all the time and always like add their stuff into my shopping cart because it's just so cute. So yeah, today I have a mixture of like comfy but also cute styles. I mean, that's kind of what Princess Polly is known for. They have just so much cute stuff. But I got a mixture of like casual with jeans and things, and then also a few dressy items because let's be honest, I just can't wait for the time when we can actually like go out again and like go to a restaurant for dinner and that type of thing, which hopefully is not too far away. But yeah, I did get a few nicer pieces and then a few casual pieces, so I'm very excited. I will link Princess Polly down below and also all of the things that I picked up today, and they were so kind to offer me a discount code for you guys. So my discount code is just Fit with Brit, and I will leave it on the screen here, but it's for 20% off their website. So it's very exciting. But yeah, again, I'll leave all my information, my sizing, what I picked up and all that kind of stuff down below. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and let's get onto it. So one of the first pieces I actually picked up is a necklace. I saw this and just fell in love. It's basically a gold chain with a little coin at the bottom. It's not like a long necklace, it's kind of just like a normal length, if that's a thing. But yeah, I just thought it was so cute, and I didn't have anything like it in my jewelry collection. So I picked this one up. And the next thing I picked up is also the top that I'm wearing. So Princess Polly, I feel like, is known for like really cute crop tops, off the shoulder type tops, and this is no different. I'm actually obsessed. But it's just like this white cropped, I don't even know what to call this, like a blouse kind of thing. I just think this is so cute because you can wear it with like the bell sleeves, as I am here, but you can also like pull it down and have it off the shoulder if you want, because it has like elastic sleeves. It sits off the shoulder without like falling down, like it literally just sits there perfectly. Or you can leave it up and have the cute bell sleeves. But yeah, I really like this top. It has little buttons down the side and it's a little crop, which I love. I feel like a top like this you can dress up or dress down. Like you could just wear it with jeans and like little brown sandals kind of thing, and it would look really cute and summery. But then you could also pair it with like a black belt and a black jacket and that kind of thing, and kind of like dress it up if you will. So yeah, that is the first thing I picked up, and I'm honestly obsessed. Princess Polly just has the cutest tops. The next thing I picked up is actually a pair of jeans, which I'm so excited to be trying. I've honestly never really invested in a pair of jeans before. I've always just bought like cheap kind of nasty jeans, and they end up being ruined in like a month of wearing them. So I'm really excited to try these. They literally feel like such amazing quality, like just, I don't even know how to explain it, but they just feel like amazing quality. So I picked up these ones. They're kind of like a straight leg jean, which honestly I'm a little bit self-conscious of my legs. It's a place that I've always been self-conscious of, so jeans are not something I got into until a few years ago actually. So yeah, but the best thing about these ones is that they're so comfortable. Like I'm the kind of person to just be such a grub. Like I don't just sit still, I literally will sit on the ground, I'll cross my legs, I'll sit on my knees, like all kinds of weird things, which you cannot do in like normal tight skinny leg jeans. So these are just so comfortable. I honestly cannot get enough. I love that they're also high-waisted. I don't think I could ever wear a mid-rise jean again. It's just not my friend. So they're perfect. They're high-waisted, literally the most beautiful blue color. I feel like you just need a perfect blue jean, if that makes sense, because a lot of the time there's like the darker versions, the lighter versions. This one is just like the in-between perfect one. And yeah, I am just obsessed. I got a size 10 and they're a perfect fit because they're high-waisted. I also like to roll up the cuffs of my jeans. I just think it looks so cute, and honestly guys, you need to pick these up because they are the comfiest jeans I've ever worn. There's so much wriggle room in there and I love it. But so the next thing I picked up is also another kind of casual tee, and it's perfect for winter. So it is just this graphic long sleeve top. It's so comfortable. It has little cuffs at the end, and it's also like a bit of a crop, so it's got that, I don't really know how to explain it, but I think it's called like a raw hem if you were to cut your clothing, and it kind of has that roll up effect. I personally love the look of that, just like kind of estranged almost. But yeah, I really love this. It's kind of like an off-white color if you can tell, versus this white shirt. It's kind of like a creamy color, but this is so cute, especially paired with like those blue denim jeans. It's a winner over here. And especially in Melbourne weather as well, I definitely need a lot more long sleeve tops because it is freezing. I think it was like 9 degrees yesterday. So I love having long sleeve tops that you can just like pile jackets and things over the top, but they're still really cute and you can still show off the graphic part of it. The next thing I picked up is actually a midi skirt, which I have been obsessed with for the past like year. I feel like this is the kind of thing that's never going to go out of style again. They're just literally the most perfect, comfortable things to wear. So I just got a plain black silky one and it has slits down the side. I just feel like that makes it look a little bit more feminine. You can kind of like show off your legs a little bit. And obviously it's high-waisted as well. I honestly just love midi skirts because it's the kind of thing that you can dress down with like a knitted jumper and boots and stuff, but it's also the kind of thing that you can dress up with like a cute little crop top and like heels. So I just love the versatility. Is that the word? Yeah, versatile. They're just very versatile. And I got a size 10 in this one. It's a tiny bit loose on my waist, but my waist is quite a lot smaller than the rest of my body. So I would say it's very true to size. I would just say that I'm a little bit disproportionate. The next thing I picked up is a little bit more fancy for me, but when I saw it, I just thought it was so cute on the model. And it's a green floral long sleeve dress. So it has a little tie up here, which looks super cute. I just kind of thought it'd be perfect for the winter season because it's the perfect thing you can chuck like a leather jacket over and some black boots. It'll hopefully be perfect if there's like engagement parties and things like that coming up because it's quite a nice occasion dress, if that makes sense. It's something I don't already have in my cupboard, and it also has like little orange flowers, so definitely very different for me. But when I tried it on, I thought it was so cute, and I also really like the tie as well because you can tie it smaller at the waist to really give yourself like a defined look. But yeah, this is so cute and also really comfortable. The next thing I have is another little crop top, which I'm just obsessed with crop tops, and I love this one. The little ties are so cute. So as you can see, it's just black and it has little tie-ups here, so you can tie it like higher if you want, you tie it lower. Although quite simple, I really love the tie-up kind of detailing. It just makes it look so cute. And again, this is the kind of top that you could dress up or dress down, so it would look really cute with those blue jeans and like a black belt, or you can put like white sneakers or something with it and it would look a lot more casual. So yeah, I just had to pick this up. I thought it was so cute and I'm very excited to wear that. And the last thing I picked up is probably one of my favorites, although I feel like it's a little bit more summery. I feel like it's so comfortable to wear around the house, so I'm still definitely going to be getting a lot of use out of it in winter time. And it is basically this shift dress. I think that's what the style is called. It is humongous, if you can tell. It's like taking up the whole camera, but it's one of those dresses that just fits perfectly on anyone's body. Like, it just like sits there and looks so nice. It's kind of like an oversized t-shirt or jumper kind of thing, but it's so comfortable. The giant pockets are the cutest things ever. It's also button up down the front, and I honestly am just obsessed with it. It's so comfortable to wear around the house just while you're chilling, but also it's like the perfect color and the perfect dress for summer. Yeah, I'm honestly obsessed with this. They had a few other colors in it. I think they had like an orangey rust color and a black. So I'm definitely going to be picking up them as well because you honestly can't go wrong with like an oversized dress. They're just the comfiest things ever. So that is the end of my haul, guys. Let me know down below if you're thinking of picking up any of these things or if you've tried anything from Princess Polly before, because honestly the quality is just so good and definitely worth it. So again, I will leave their website linked below and also my discount code if you guys wanted to use that. I don't make a commission or anything off it. It's just purely for you guys to get a discount. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!